Good morning. This judgment which I am going to share with you will definitely help if you are a parent or if you are other members in the family seeking admissions, unfortunately was suffering from disablement. And as an advocate, to know the procedure and the lenient view taken by the Supreme Court for all these things, judgment will be helpful. This is AR 2024, Supreme Court 5177. AR 2024, Supreme Court 5177. Omkar Ramachandra Gond versus Union of India and others. See, the boy who was suffering from some speech disorder, that he was suffering more than 40%, that is 44%. Thereafter, but he was a very merit student. He secured 94% in his schooling exam and stood top final exam. Thereafter, he wanted to be a doctor. Therefore, appeared for a NEET exam, succeeded in NEET exam. His candidature was listed for analyzation of interview. But what had happened thereafter? He was referred to. He was supposed to file his disablement certificate upfront, wherein his disablement was 44%. That means more than 40%. According to the recent guidelines, he was not selected because his disablement is more than 40%. So he approached the High Court, but since there was no, he was not selected. But unfortunately, High Court kept pending a matter from 28/8/2004 to 19/9/2004. So the poor boy approached Supreme Court directly, and fortunately, the Supreme Court entertained his petition, and initially a seat was ordered to be reserved. And thereafter they held that the notification which was subsequently issued contrary to the act, contrary to that Rights of Person with Disability Act. And therefore they say thereafter a medical board of New Delhi given a certificate stating that he is capable to pursue the studies. So this was the judgment. It was finally allowed and directed the High Court Bombay to consider it in terms of the ratio given by the Supreme Court. The problem is Article 41, Director Principles, speaks about disablement, and they have also discussed about so many things. But for enthusiastic student, kindly go through paragraph 34, wherein a lot of information was given how to calculate disablement. So far, if he is suffering from speech disablement, therefore kindly keep it, have a look over all those things, and they have also discussed about negative discrimination. So many things, multi number of judgments were discussed. Kindly follow this judgment, go through the judgment. Even the judgment will help you if you are directed, or if you want to write article on rights of disabled persons. Best wishes.